I'm Claudia, one of the hosts of Discover Tai Kwun. Do you know what Tai Kwun means? It is indeed the colloquial name used by police officers and the public alike to refer to the former law enforcement complex. It literally means big station in Cantonese. In fact, the site comprises 3 declared monuments: the former Central Police Station compound, Central Magistracy, and Victoria Prison compound. Tai Kwun Center for Heritage and Arts is one of the most important revitalization projects in Hong Kong. The first episode of the series features the police headquarters block. Completed in 1919, this building provided a range of facilities for the police force, including head offices of various departments, officers' mess, and radio control room. In the old days, passers-by would probably be scared by something right here. An old photo shows that a tiger head was mounted near the ceiling on this floor. In 1915, some villagers in Shenzhen spotted a wild tiger, and police officers were sent to capture it. The tiger was then shot dead. It was 2.6 meters long and weighed 131 kilograms. The tiger head was made into a specimen and was displayed at the City Hall for a period of time. Subsequently, it was moved to this building and has perhaps frightened many. Take a look at the railing. The height of the balustrade was indeed lower than required by the current statutory code. Throughout Tai Kwun's revitalization, one of the guiding principles is authenticity, meaning that the original characteristics of heritage buildings are respected and retained as much as possible, such as design and building materials. The central staircase here is a great example demonstrating the pursuit of authenticity in sustaining heritage buildings. After negotiations, it was decided to strengthen every one of 4 balusters. Not only has the original design been retained, but also our visitors can use the staircase safely to explore this century-old building. Now, let's take a look at the floor. This decorative border is known as Greek key or meander. You might have seen this motif in architectural friezes and artifacts like pottery. In ancient Greece, this pattern symbolizes unity, infinity, and eternity. Since the original floor tiles were severely worn out, similar tiles have been sought for replacement. To increase efficiency, the Greek key pattern was arranged when manufactured, and workers installed the entire row of tiles in one go according to the locations. What I like in this building is the Duplex Studio. It was once a gymnasium, and I heard that people would play badminton there. It is now a multi-purpose venue where exhibitions and theaters have been held in the past 2 years. The space is double height, and you can visit the gallery on the upper floor to look at the lower level where you will see some beautiful windows. The possibility of adaptive reusing that space is endless. For me, I like dancing and gymnastics. I think the tall ceiling is a perfect fit for these performances. In the next episode, we will introduce the Central Magistracy to you. We will find out the first batch of trials in the courtroom there, one of which is related to a notorious criminal who shocked the society in the 1970s. Stay tuned.